Well, you join me this morning. It's 8 o'clock on a very wet Sunday morning, and we have a lot to do today. Not just with the Austin, but I've got other things to do elsewhere. So I really want to come in, get these little bits done, and see the car in a different light. So yesterday we went to see Mrs. Upchurch, whose husband owned the car for many years, up until he died 3 years ago. And we were fortunate to find some more bits that go with the car. So that's what I want to do today, which is put these last few bits on, which will hopefully allow us to see it in a different light. So let's get started. So one thing that I found was a selection of original hubcaps for the car. They're the ones that I bought for a later car. Not sure what exactly, but these are the correct ones for this car. I'm just giving it a very quick polish up, and I'm going to get them on. And that's the first one back on, just the other three to do. So next today we've got the side emblems, or whatever you want to call them. These again was found in the garage of the previous owner. But I did have the end cap, but I never bothered fitting them because they'd have looked a bit sort of daft just on their own. So, but now I've got the bits, I'm going to get them all fitted. Right, I've got these trims back on now, all fully assembled on, and be interested to see it with the bonnet down, so we'll do that in a bit. I can only assume that these came off for the panels to be painted. So next thing, badge bar. So these are the badges that we picked up. They are the brackets for the badge bar. I need a bolt for that. We've got two brackets there with bolts, and a selection of badges. So I will, I'm not sure exactly which badges are going to go on yet, because I've already got an AA badge on there. Would be nice to have probably, I don't know, but we'll get the bar on first, I think. They're the brackets for the bar. That is the bar. And the holes have been filled in. I'm not sure who did that, actually. I can't remember doing it myself, but there's nothing to say that I didn't do it. But I think there's a hole there and a hole there. So I'm going to have a play around and get two holes in. Right, I got the bar on. I think the original holes had been welded up. So I've just ended up drilling my own. I'm quite happy. I think that's kind of where it should go. So we're going to look into getting some badges on it, and we'll go from there. Well, took about an hour and a half, but new hubcaps, the side emblems, and the badge bar. I will put the other badges on, but for now there was only two brackets with the bar, so I will put them on at a later date. Still quite a bit of work to do to the interior, so I might look at that next, I don't know. Well, there we have it.